wonderful YouTubers. I hope you can hear this video. Sorry I haven't posted any videos lately. I haven't really done anything interesting. I've had my car break down twice now. But I thought since I'm not doing much other than driving around, I'll let y'all know that having lots and lots of fun driving on my way back home from Austin, Texas. It's about 111 mile round trip or so. Just getting into New Braunfels. Radio went out, so don't really have very much for tunes. But yeah. Let y'all know. Ooh, wow, that was cute. Yeah, sorry, hot women. There's lots and lots of videos going to be coming up. I've got a whole bunch I shot before I started posting videos of me working on my car. I've got to get off my other computer. Oh, I gotta let y'all go. Someone wants to play around and race a little bit, so I'll talk to y'all here in a little while.